Hello everyone. In this tutorial I will show you guys how to your Kali Linux terminal is fast working. So I go to my terminal, root terminal, and write a command sudo apt get install bleach bit. Simply press enter. I already updated it, install it in my Kali machine, so all the things showing here done. So after successfully downloaded installation or completed installation bleach bit, just search it and open bleach bit. This is actually a cleaning machine. In Kali Linux your every work a temporary files created and remove by this bleach bit. Here is many options: auto scan, catch cookies, backup, broken desktop file, keyboard, custom free disk space, passwords, memory. If I want to remove any temporary file, just right click on the option and simply click clean and delete. This is blank space, no data is package lists. So look guys, here disk space removed 4.1 kilobyte and files deleted 1 it shows. So if I want to delete cache, just delete. Look, all the files are deleted successfully, and files deleted 3677 files and almost 1.3 MB. Look like this. So this is it guys.